Good morning, students. Hope you are doing well. So, I'm again here with a new practical. But before students starting a new practical, I want to say you that whenever I give you any new practical, I try to explain each and every tag we need to use or we need there in that web page. So you need to understand each and every tag and how these tags work properly, students. So if you have any doubts, don't hesitate to ask me. I'll be providing my email ID. You send me your doubts, okay? And one day I'll come live and we will discuss all your queries there. And secondly, you also have to give the screenshots. You practice at home and give the screenshots, send the screenshots in my email ID. All right. Today's class we need to start now. Okay, let's get started. Okay, students, so I'll be starting the practical. So as we know, first is HTML, then next tag is head, next is title, and I will write here audio, image and video, then title closed and head closed. Student, you can end head here and at the last also again I am saying. Then I'll be writing here body. Then I'll be giving here a background color, so basic color equals to gray. Okay, after that I'll show you inserting a image and a video. Okay, so first of all I'll be inserting an image. For that you have to write img, give a space and then write source src. Okay, now students, I am telling here that image, to insert a image, a picture, the tag you need to use is img, that is image. Okay, and then you have to give the location. You have to say to HTML, to the browser, where the picture is now. Yes, for that you have to add an attribute to the image tag, and that attribute is src, means source. Okay, then give a equal sign. Fine, give double inverted comma. Done. Now minimize your screen and find your picture in the computer, which picture you want to import or link to your HTML page, web page. So my picture, I'll find one picture. Wait, it is here, and there are so many pictures, so I will give a picture, and for select this picture I'll give this picture. Okay, then right click there and go to properties. Fine, in the properties you have to select the locations. Students, this is similar to that practical background image. Okay, similarly you have to copy the location, go back to your notepad and paste it. Okay, then give a front slash and again go back to your picture property, and from there copy the name. Okay, copy the name, go back, paste it, again go back and see the extension. So this is the extension, students, .jpg, this one, .jpg. Okay, right click, copy and paste it. Don't give any space, paste it, .jpg. Then double inverted comma close. All right, and you close the tag, image tag is done. Fine, after that, okay, inside image tag, before ending, give a space after double inverted comma, and there you have to write alt equal to, you can write any word there. Okay, I am writing sorry. I'll tell you why I am writing alt here. It also should be within double inverted comma. Now students, what happen, all the browsers do not support all type of videos. Okay, so the image that I have given in my web page, suppose my browser cannot show it because it cannot support it, then what happened, instead of the image it will show the word I have written. What word I have written? I have written sorry. Yes, So that is alt, means alternative text. If the image cannot be displayed, it is not supported by the browser, then alternatively the word we have given that will be displayed. Alright, so image done. After image, I'll also insert a video. Yes, so same thing again, video also. We have to come to the next line for that, and same. Okay, let us finish this image first. One by one I'll show you. Okay, after that we will close body. Here I'm not going to write anything, so I'll close body here. After that I'll close HTML. Done. Now save it and give a name here. I'll be writing here image.html. Done. Now save it. Now how to open it, student? Go to my file, go to the file, search your file, this one, right click in your file, go to properties, open your copy the location, open your browser, in the address bar paste it. Yes, then give a front slash, and what is the name? Image.html. Done. Hit the enter button. See, this is my image. Yes, so it background color it is coming, then alternative text, no, it's title, why it is coming here? Anyway, the image is coming here. So as there is an error, let us go to the notepad and fix the error. Okay, so you have to come back and you have to see where is the error here. It should not come like that, image and video in the title. Yes, see, title spelling is wrong. Alright student, now what to do? See, if you have any correction, you will come back to the notepad, you will do the correction, then you will save it. Okay, don't forget to save it after the correction. Then go back to your web page. Okay, then right click there and click on reload or refresh. Done. See, my image and video, that was title, so it went here, and this is my picture. Okay, so there are many what we can say attributes, like we can increase the size of the picture by giving width and breadth. Okay, we can make it to the center, but I'll not show you all the this one, all the attributes of it. Okay, image I am just showing the alternative one. Fine. And width and breadth you can give. Okay, let me show. So I'll give here width I'll give suppose 100. Okay, then space, then breadth. Okay, that also 100. Let's see, again save it. Fine, go back to your picture, browser, reload. See, I have minimized it. You can give it 200, 300, 400, 500 to make it bigger or smaller. Alright, so I have given 100, so it is coming small now. Alright, we will be inserting another tag. Okay, we will be inserting another tag, that is video. For image we have given image, for video we will give video. Okay, now video we have to give the screen size, how much bigger the screen you need. So, okay, for that I'll write width because I want width. So let us give width 350. Okay, and height I'll give suppose 250. Okay, so I'll give this within double inverted comma. Done. And then I'll write controls because I need the controls like stop, pause, all those are controls, isn't it? So I also need the controls, so I'm writing here controls. Done. Now in the image, as I told you that we have to give the location where my picture is. So here also I have to give the location. to the browser where is my video is, isn't it? So for that I have to again give another tag, that is source, SOURCE, source. Okay, and after that SRC. Fine. Now similarly we have to minimize it. Go and find your video. I have one video here, so I'll be taking this only. Right click here, then go to the properties, select the location, okay, and copy this. Go back to your notepad, double inverted comma and paste it. Okay, similar to the image one. Give a front slash, again go back to the video and then copy the name of the video, copy, and also see the extension, that is .mp4. yes, close it, paste it and write .mp4. done. Now double inverted comma, close, and then we again have to write. If you don't write then also it's okay, but we have to write whether it is .mp4 or something else. Okay, so we have to write the type. It is what, video, and give a slash mp4, double inverted comma, close, tag closed. Done. Now again we have to save it. Go back to your browser and reload or refresh it. Yeah, see, my video is coming, and with all the controls like play, mute, and full screen, with all this option it is coming. Okay, so I'll play the video. Okay, I'll make it full screen. Yes, it's coming full screen. We can go back by pressing escape. Okay, so this is done. See, in this practical what we have learned, a picture, to insert a picture and a video. Okay, just simply I taught you how to insert a video and a picture in your web page. Okay, as we have learned, we can make the picture or the video come to the next line. How, students? By giving a break. Yes, so by inserting a break tag, we can make the video come down. If we want another line, blank line, again BR, again more space we need, again BR, isn't it? Now we want to bring the video to the middle, sorry, the image to the middle. So what to do? Simply write center. Yes, both image and the video will come to the middle, and we will end the center here because we want the center to be applied both for the image and the video. Yes, yes, like this. You can format your web page, again save it, go back, right click and reload. Yes, see, both are coming now. You can also add some text here or some other pictures here, so like that. Okay, students, that's all for today. So practice at home, and for today I'm ending my class. Thank you.